the blacksmith, so the legend did say, loved the poor toffee-maker for many a day. But he kept his own counsel, being timid and shy, but his passion with his hammer as he watched the sparks fly. Now the poor toffee-maker sat alone in her room, longing for babies to grow in her womb, and a husband to bring to her joy and delight, sweet moments of passion in the quiet of night. Now one day the spinster did in the church tarry, pray to God for to send her a man for to marry. She was far from the ears of all those who would mock, but the blacksmith in the belfry stood a-mending the clock. Now the cries of the spinster did echo so clear that the blacksmith in the belfry could not fail to hear. So he answered in a voice like the Lord's thunderous roar, I could send you a blacksmith if you're not thinking poor. Well, the spinster gave thanks to the Father and the Son, for many a poor man is better than none. And meanwhile the blacksmith crept home from the clocks, and dressed in his suit and a clean pair of socks. Returning to the church and thus dressed in great style, he met up with the spinster, who looked up with a smile, and without more ado he proposed there and then, and the spinster said yes and gave thanks once again. They were married with speed and moved in at the forge, where the wife made fine toffee which the blacksmith did gorge, and they shared sport and passion when the day's work was done. And she brought in 3 daughters and 3 strapping sons.